So today, I'll show you how to change the wake up method on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So basically, this is the option that you'll use to wake up your screen. So for me, it's by tapping on the screen, and this will wake up the smart band. So you can change this to another method. And to do this, simply access the watch face, or rather wake up your device, your Smart Band 9, sorry. To access the watch face, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app settings, or rather the app menu. Then scroll down and find settings. Here it is, tap on it. And then within the settings, scroll down and find preferences. So here it is, tap on that. And now you'll see these three options. So select the wake up method. And by default, it is set to tap screen. So if you want to change it, you can tap on swipe up, and that will change the wake up method. So when you want to wake up your watch, your Smart Band 9, sorry. So let's say for instance it's turned off. So if you want to wake up, you have to swipe up to wake up the watch. So if you prefer the other method, so simply just go to settings, swipe up and go to settings. And then go to these two preferences, and then wake up method, and then choose the method you desire. So for me, I prefer tap to screen. So if for instance you lock that, you have to tap to screen to wake up the screen. So that's basically it on how to change the wake up method on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.